Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a really fast and easy way that you can polish up your copper jewelry without using any elbow grease. I'm going to show you how to do this with one of the necklaces from my second book, Soldered Alchemy. And for this necklace, I used copper wire. I used some copper pieces that I used to make like that bar area above the china pendant. And what we're going to do is we are going to make a solution. We're going to soak this just for a minute or two, and you're going to see how quick and easy it is and how great this works. Costs only pennies, and I'd be willing to bet that you probably have the ingredients already in your kitchen cabinet. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cover my workspace with a paper towel, and I'm going to get a small glass dish like a custard cup and some white distilled vinegar. And I don't know if you can use other types of vinegar. I've had people ask me that. You'd have to try it and see. And I'm also going to use some coarse salt. And I'm not going to measure anything. I'm just going to kind of estimate. And the amount of vinegar that I'm going to use is just to submerge my item. So I'm going to pour some vinegar in there, about a quarter cup or even a little bit less than that is what I'm using. And then I'm going to take my kosher salt and I'm just going to pour it right into my hand. I'm going to estimate about a teaspoon and a half, maybe close to 2 teaspoons. Pour that in. And then you can just mix it with a spoon or you can mix it with your finger. And you just want to get some of the salt to dissolve and for the solution to mix together. Now, if you like, you can walk away for a minute and just kind of let that salt dissolve, but you don't have to. You can actually just put your jewelry in at this point, but I like to try to let it dissolve a little bit. So I'm going to stir it for just about 10 to 20 seconds or so. And then I'm going to take my jewelry and I'm going to put it right in there. Now the piece that I have, it's a little bit of an odd shape and it doesn't fit all the way so it can be submerged, but the chain is what I really want to polish, the chain and the copper bars that are above the china piece. And so I'm going to stick it in there and I'm going to let it go for a couple minutes, and I'm going to then come back and inspect it. So it's been about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, and I can already see how shiny that is. What a difference. Now this piece I made for the book, it's just been kind of in storage and it tarnishes over time. That's oxidation. It's from being exposed to oxygen, and especially if you live in like a high humid area, your jewelry will tarnish faster. So here it is. I think it looks great. There's a couple little spots that are a little gray, and that's because that was a silver area that I used copper patina on. So this solution will not work to really polish up a copper patina, but for real pure copper, it will. It works great. So then once you take it out, you're going to rinse it in water, dry it off, and it's ready to wear. One of the ways that you can prevent tarnish is to keep your jewelry in a sealed plastic bag when you're not wearing it. So you will have to polish it up once in a while. This is a really great way to do it. Thanks so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye guys.